Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. May Allah grant peace, prosperity, success, security to my India, Indian brothers and sisters, and global citizens. One person who was killed in the terror attack by a Hindutva terrorist RPF constable Chetan Singh yesterday was Sayyid Saifullah from Hyderabad Bazar Ghat, a father of three daughters. The youngest daughter 6 months old. Such innocents are being killed by Hindutva terrorists of RSS, VHP, Bajrang Dal and BJP. They want to destroy my India through riots, death, destruction, killings, inflation, unemployment. They are literally destroying it. The terrorist, Hindutva terrorist of RPF, Chetan Singh, shouting Yogi, Modi and killing innocents. In Haryana, Gurgaon, yesterday night, a Naib Imam, Maulana Saad, has been butchered by Hindutva terrorists of VHP Bajrang Dal. See, they only know how to kill innocents. They don't have any idea of unity, peace, development, making India a Vishwaguru world leader. They have the idea of destroying India, disintegrating India through terrorism, Hindutva terrorism. Because the ideology of Govalkar Savarkar and their children, Nathuram Godse and their children, is of death, destruction, riots, terrorism, nothing else. Modi, Yogi, Amit Shah, their parties, their cadets only knows destruction. They cannot bring development, construction, bringing down the prices, increasing the employment. No. All these things is not possible for them. For them, what is possible is destroying my India, disintegrating my India, and spreading terrorism, spreading hate, death, and killing. See, an innocent of Hyderabad is killed, father of three daughters. Because of this, I say, India should send them either to jail or to Jannah and protect my Bharat from all evils. Worship only Creator Allah, obey final Messenger Muhammad Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam, bring the law of Islam, punish all rioters, rapists, murderers, terrorists with death penalty on the crossroad, and protect my India and Indians. Have a